Hey everyone, welcome back to techplusavik. If you are a content creator and want to start one, you are going to love today's video. We are diving deep into Shorts.ai, a powerful AI tool that lets people create YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and anything you want. So, what is this Shorts.ai? In short, this is a AI-powered short video creation platform. Let's go to dashboard and you can see autoclip, caption generator, AI script, and many more. Let's say you want to create a Reddit story. Okay, I'm giving this prompt, and this is about shorts.ai. Let's say shorts.ai is awesome. Let it load. You can set background. Which kind of background you want? Let's say we want this kind of background. Select subtitle. Maybe we want this kind of subtitles. Here you can see many type of voices it is generating the video. Let's wait for a bit. You can see how beautiful the video is. It has created. You can download. You can also share from here. Maybe you want to share in Instagram and anything. So okay, coming back to home. Here also you can fake text, AI story generator, dialogue generator, and anything. Maybe you want a AI image. Maybe Nana. Uh, so you can say maybe a dialogue generator also. Maybe hi, hello. They have a lots of tools, so you can just taste and look around. So you can see this is what it has generated. So also here you can have different superhero styles of images and many more. It has lots of things like multilingual support. It has faceless video creation, auto caption generator, video template and style. Uh, from there, auto caption. Maybe for a test image, I'm going with this. This is a 1 hour long video, but you can see this has generated lots of reels for you. Now comes to the pricing and all. Those who want to try it out, you can just click on my link. You will get some discount. But basically, it has basic, pro, and enterprise type of plans. You can have monthly, yearly plans. So yeah. In my opinion, yes, especially if your goal is volume consistency and you don't want to spend hours of editing, you just need some thoughts and prompts. That's it. You can create anything you want. If you found this video helpful, just let me know in the comments.